Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about how we can access SAP ECC server access for all module. Okay, so let's start. So we are just assuming if you all are already installed SAP GUI logon in your uh, operating systems your in your laptop. Okay, so you can see this is the SAP logon. Okay, in your personal laptop. Okay, we are assuming. Okay, so but if not installed, you can install now, or you can watch my previous video. Okay, go to my YouTube channel, you will have a lot of video. Please go to the channel and search the how to install the SAP GUI. So we are considering here you all people are installed. Okay, so if you are installed, just you have to double click on this over your laptop or over your system. Okay, you will see here ECC 6.0 all module. Okay, access you will have it. Okay, so first of all, how you can configure it. Okay, so whenever you will take the server access from any vendor, okay, they will provide the detail. Okay, and how to basically you can create, how can you can enter this all the detail. So suppose here already there, if you want to any changes on this detail, then what you need to do, you can go here the change button. Okay, you can see here, if you change anything, okay, you have to go to connections. Okay, under connections you will have the options, you can make the changes. But if you don't want, if you want to create your own, then what you need to do, you have to, here is one button called new. Okay, click on new button. Okay, click on create. So you can, what is the difference, all these things, connection, shortcut and favorite. So these are the options. Okay, where you want to create your, or you want to set up a connections for ECC server. So I want to connections, click connections. Okay, now after that, okay, you would just click on next. Okay, now here, okay, you have to connection type, you have to select the connection types. So basically we recommend it for SAP training purpose, you will choose this custom application server. Okay, but somehow if in case you are working on any organizations, okay, so they will have some group server selections, you have to select this group, and then you have to accordingly, okay, they will provide some detail, ID, messenger, server and router and all detail. Okay, but for the training purpose we will use this first option, custom application server. Okay, now, okay, here you will have to write something, ECC access. Okay, descriptions. Now then, okay, the vendor, okay, SAP vendor, okay, they will give the IP address, example like this. Okay, something. Okay, this is the example I'm giving, this is the IP address, something. Okay, an instance number, something like 34 or something 88, something give. Okay, an ID, something they will give, something D449 something. Okay, and these router, SAP router string is not required for the training purpose. Okay, so these are the example. Okay, if you have entered this detail, you can skip this SAP router string. Okay, it is not required. Okay, now go to the next. Okay, these are the, okay, just if you have any SCN access, then you can put it here your name, otherwise you can skip this part. Okay, now come to the next again. Okay, now you can say default. Okay, these are the uploading, encoding, these are the default setting is there, no not to no not to need to anything. Okay, if you want anything you can change it. Okay, if you want different language are there. Okay, but I want to default, that is default is the English languages. Okay, now you can finish it. If you finish it, you can see it is configured here. Okay, if you click here it will open, but in that case it will not open because we haven't give the correct IP detail. Okay, this is the how we can create it. If you want to something add, see it is saying it is not, because we haven't given the correct detail, server detail, that's why it is giving error. Okay, so you have to take the correct detail from your vendor, access vendor. Okay, so now, so this is it. Now if you want to change anything, okay, select this one, first one, and go to here, change one. Okay, now you can change something here, let's something this one, any changes you want. Okay, any IP address or anything you can change it. Okay, if you done the changes, okay, you can click. Okay, it will happen. Okay, now come to the network. Okay, nothing. Okay, no changes here over. Okay, only thing just okay. So it got reflected here. Okay, if you again click, okay, it will have a valid or correct, it will open, otherwise not. So second one, it is a correct one, you can see. Yes, see, this is correct one. That's why, okay, it got connected the server correctly. Okay, now if you, this is the first one. Okay, this is, if you want to delete, you can delete over here. Okay, and we will have multiple here options even. Okay, so which like option you would like to explore something view. Okay, this is a different options. Okay, you can try like this. Okay, connections, we have created like the this access under connections. If you want some shortcut, you can create some like folder under that, or you can have a connection under that. Okay, so these are the basically, see, like this, some layouts are there. Okay, so these are the, we have created under connections. If you want to create any connections over shortcut key, you can, okay, over like whenever you will create it, okay, it will ask here, okay, under which types, okay, you would like to see shortcut, you can title is a shortcut here. Okay, similarly if you want to create, okay, whenever you, wherever you want to create, either in the connections or favorite, you can right click over here, or you can create folder, you can hide it. Okay, so depend upon, even you can move the here sometimes. Okay, you can see whenever I'm going to move, it will ask the detail, you have to go next. Okay, finish. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is, we have a basically basic things. Okay, this is, if you want to delete, let's say I would like to delete this one, you can click here, it will delete it. See it deleted. Okay, simply. So this is, we will have. Okay, and this is the like some variable options also. So when here similar way you can create over here as well. Okay, so how to log in basically, so this is the your connections basically. If you click over here and now login button, okay, you can click over here, or you can just directly double click here, see, its icon will open. Okay, so under this is the very beginning, your you can say screen. Okay, so these are the user detail. If you want to log in, log off, okay, new password, you can do it. System related of detail would be, you want to log off, it will log off. See, okay, just double click again. Okay, now you can see help, if you want any help, okay, you can do it. So all are the now disabled because we haven't enter into that system first. Okay, now whenever you are going to enter into the system or like a particular ECC, you will have a client here. So already default is 100 here. Okay, now user, so let's see, this is the user. Okay, ID. Okay, I'm going to give the password here. Okay, yeah, and now default language is English. If you want to change, you can change it. It is something saying password wrong. Let me try again. Yes. Okay. Now, yeah, successfully login into your ECC system. Okay. So now you can see here multiple options are available. Okay. If you see menu, okay, if you want to menu, user menu, business, edit, so these are the menu you can go through. So, okay, so these are some shortcut if you want to create. Favorite, you want to add something in the favorite here, over here, see, if you, this is a favorite. Okay, if you want to add something under favorite here, you can add it something. Let's see, if you here, okay, you want to add it, you can add it over here. Okay, so these are the options are available. Okay, you can use. Now extra, okay, these are the extra basically. Okay, technical details, settings. So whatever you, let's see, you want some technical detail, you can have some technical details and all. Okay, even see, these are the detail basically. Okay, so now system, let's come over here. Now user related. Okay, if you want to check the data, okay, user data, you can click here, you can see the data. See, these are the user related data. Okay, all are the user related data. So similarly, if you go to system here, you will say more options are there. Okay, you can use service related options are all are there here. Okay, utilities also available. Okay, okay, we will discuss, these are the okay things. Okay, you have to explore. Okay, day by day. Okay, so this is a basic. I'm going to who are the beginner. Okay, so these are the options. If you want to log off, you can log off. Okay, now more important, that is here status. Okay, under status you can see the all the detail like previous login date and time. Okay, current login date and time. Okay, what are the user detail. Okay, all the transactions data you can see here, everything like operating system, server name, platform, Okay, if you want more detail, you can go, these are the version basically, what are the version installed currently, so you can see over here. Okay, similarly install product version you can see over here. So these are the basically basic detail about SAP ECC. Okay, so whatever the module you are going to learn, or you are trying to learn, or you want to gain, okay, you are a beginner, okay, so start similar way. Okay, so this is the similar way how we can start. Okay, and you can check all the detail. So these are the basic things. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, and wait for the next video. Definitely we'll go for the next video in detail level of, so please watch. Okay, and please follow. Okay, and definitely you should subscribe it if possible. Okay, you will have a new learnings from this. Okay, thank you for watching this video.